In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off your camera on Zoom. If you ever need a quick moment of privacy in a meeting, or you just want to save bandwidth, turning off your camera is simple and only takes a second. Let's walk through it clearly so you feel confident doing it anytime. First, make sure you're actually inside a Zoom meeting window. The controls you need only appear when you're in a call. If you don't immediately see the meeting toolbar, move your mouse or tap your screen, and the controls should slide into view. Now look toward the bottom left of the meeting window. There you'll find the video button. It's the one that looks like a small camera icon. This is the button you use to manage your video during the call. Go ahead and click on the video button at the bottom left. That's the action that turns your camera off. Right after you click, glance back at that same icon. If you see it change to the same camera symbol, but with a red diagonal line over it, that's your confirmation that your camera is off. This visual cue is designed to be unmistakable, so you don't have to guess. When you see the red line, it means people in the meeting can no longer see your video feed. Instead, they'll typically see your profile picture or your name, depending on your Zoom settings. If the toolbar disappears while you're looking for the icon, that's normal. Zoom hides it to give you more screen space. Just move your mouse or tap again and the controls will reappear. On smaller screens, the controls may feel a bit crowded, but that camera icon will still be down in that lower left area of the meeting controls. A quick note for peace of mind. Turning off your camera doesn't affect your microphone or your ability to hear others. It simply pauses your video. Your connection to the meeting stays the same, and you can continue to follow along, present, or chat as needed. And there you go. By clicking the video button at the bottom left and checking for the red diagonal line across the camera icon, you've successfully turned off your camera on Zoom. That's all you need to do. Keep this in mind for those moments when you want a little more privacy or to keep the focus on the content being shared. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you feel more comfortable managing your video during any Zoom call.